Testing, testing, testing. Is this working? It's coming online. Hello, testing. Testing, testing, testing. Let's put this up here. Okay, so yeah, looks like it's working. I should just stop worrying about YouTube and just assume it works. Let's see, what am I going to tweet here? Share. Twitter. Just check Twitter to make sure we're up. Yep, we're up. Okay, so there we are. Okay, take this off now. Okay, hello everybody. So this is what I'm going to do, and you're going to see this from the beginning. And although I got a Sakai core meeting in a half hour that I got to go to. So what we're trying to do here is this is Sakai's assignment tool. Sakai, of course, is the world's greatest learning management system. It's beautiful, it's awesome. And I'm going to add a feature. It's going to take me probably 3 or 4 days to add a drop down here that basically allows learning tools interoperability tools to show up here. Okay? And basically if we go into administration workspace, external tools, add an LTI1 tool, eventually check, check, check. This checkbox right here. When that checkbox is checked, I want that tool to pop up in that list. Okay? So that's the goal. So I'm starting from the beginning. So I'm in the Sakai folder. And if I go back to like Mercury and look at assignments. So now what I'm doing is so this is a velocity tool, and so I'm just going to like grep for inline and attachments. Grep -r inline and attachments. Because I'm going to find my way to this code. I don't know anything about this code, and I have this little thing that throws away all the targets. What? Inline and attachments. Inline and attachments. And somewhere else, there it is. Oh, it's in the bundles. Holy mackerel. So I gotta find this. So this is our translation. And so what I need to look is, that's not gonna be the Java code, is gonna reference this translation. grep -r, inline and attachments, boom, okay. Okay, so now I'm going to grab this file assignment action. What? Assignment action. So mention that class. Is there some? It's really weird. Okay, so I've got to go up one. Got to find the Java code. Where is that? No, 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 no. Where does this code live? Assignment constants. Oh, so I guess I have to go look for this one. Wow, they really got this code structured differently. Assignment action, is it in assignment action? Yay! Okay, hey, let's just have a good time. Let's just change it. So oops. Let's just make it so it shows up in the user interface. External tool. Now let's edit this file. So my whole coding style is I just sort of bang on stuff. Other people try to memorize all this code. There's a million lines of code. So I use grep and I just dig through and I change things and I see if what I change actually works. Okay, so now I think that I should be able to compile this. So that was Anthony. So pwd, I gotta go up one. I'm going to compile everything from here down. So I got this script that compiles everything from there down to save me from compiling all of Sakai. That's compiling all of assignments. If I'm in the tool, I can compile the tool and do a hot redeploy. But this, I've got other stuff to compile, which means I have to, the Sakai is down right now. So I've got this Sakai scripts code, git remote -v that I got in GitHub. This is my way of running Sakai. I mean, I want to put this in core, but the rest of the Sakai people won't let me, and so I think this is the best way to run Sakai, but I'm a little different than more professional developers. So let's see if this compiled. Come over, I like to, still compiling. I like to arrange my tabs so that I have my running Sakai in my first tab, my compile tab, my second tab, and then the various source code is my other tabs. So make sure I have my database server running, which I do. Assignment type external tool. What did I call it? Assignment type external tool. Hopefully he's re-downloaded all those POMs that are jar files and it'll be a little faster compiling now. Yay. I'll start Sky. And I'll tail the logs. So you can watch Sakai start up. Okay, so let's go and take a look at some of these other things. See how all this code runs for the various versions of this. Hopefully it's not structured too badly. So we got that one. Oh, crap. Submission type table. I'll have to learn some more stuff. She started. Still starting. Okay. So it's oh shoot, that's gonna have to be a 6. That's not gonna work. Well, it's gonna show up. It should have been a 6. Doesn't matter. Not 5. Submission type. How many of these are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6 places? Roar! Okay, did it run? It did run. So let's go to localhost 808080. Log in as administrator. Mercury. Go to assignments. Add a new one. And see if I changed my drop down. What? Oh, that's because I didn't fix the. Okay, so I didn't fix the stop.sh. Assignment constants. I forgot to put that in the properties file. I didn't translate it. Right here. I'm going to recompile it all. And because I'm recompiling it all, not just the tool, I've got to have Sakai down while I'm doing that. And while I'm recompiling that, will take a while. Let's still look around. What is going on in the submission type? Oh, actually, let's do here. Let's inspect this element. Inspect element. Let's see what this thing is called. Okay, so the name is new assignment submission type, so let's grab that. Oop. And start her back up. Okay, so now I'm going to say graph minus R, oops. Because I'm looking for the form, so where that form is being processed, that's really what I'm looking for. The GURP it's an alias. Oh, at least it's an assignment action. It's like, don't put your, doesn't make you more modular. Okay, so now I can find out new assessment, assignment, submission type. Context put, text state. Oh, I hate the state. The state. That's okay. So one of the things I start doing here, start putting print statements in. I always put them in the first column so that I can kill them before I check stuff in. Well, XYZ equals plus submission type. State. Sakai uses state too much. I only got 10 more minutes for this meeting. Did I start up? Yeah. Let's go back. Let's hit refresh on this. I'm gonna have to log in because I restarted Sakai, but now I'm right back to the assignment list, and I'm gonna do add. And now I'm going to what? Oh, and that's because I changed the 5 to 6. What the heck? Inspect element. How come it didn't show up? Select. Why was there only 5? Why was there only 5? What the heck? It's only one place. Why doesn't it show up? Don't need that stuff from lesson builder. Let's find the template. I'm going to look for let's recompile this whole mess. See if I can find these template. Okay, new edit instructor. Okay, this must be it. And I'm going to look for submission type. Submission type. Total value, total submission types. What is that? Better not is okay, at least does that. At least that comes from the length. That better not be hard coded to 5 or I would have a bad day. You'd be like, don't hard code that to 5. I don't get it. Just recompile. Let's start her up and see if we can find a problem. I don't have 5 minutes left for my meeting. Dang, 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 dang. E-I-E-I-O. But I also can test to see if this print statement came out. Oh, that went into state. So I might have to make sure I log out and log back in. Oh, that's I am here. I am here. That's going to be. See, then I can search for system here, and there we go. So now I get. Hopefully, that's the place that's submitting it. Okay, coming up yet? Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Error message. No, nothing. Pretend to log out here to shut that up. So, okay. Yep. Yep. So let's log out. Log in as administrator. Mercury. Go to assignments. Add. Look on our drop. And I am here. I am here, Ran, but it does not show. Time to put some print statements in. This is going to be in the tool, so I can actually go down, see the assignment tool. If I compile from here down, then that hot deploy saves me a little time. Okay. See, I could learn to use a debugger someday. Maybe someone will tell me how to use a debugger. It would save me time, but I just never learn enough. Okay, so now I've got those print statements to say what the F is going on in here. Oh, and now I can do an SMV from this tool, and it will compile very quickly and deploy very quickly. Doing velocity tools is a beautiful thing, except I can't. Oh, CD tool, got to go to one layer down. There's a palm here. So I love velocity tools. They're our oldest tools, and I think in some ways they're our most elegant and best tools. Oh shoot, I only got 2 minutes. 1 minute left. Oh, please. Okay, come on. You'll see it deploy here in a second. Bam, it just redeployed. See assignments. So I should be able to just hit refresh here. And so I am here 3, and there's total submission types 5. Something is badly wrong here. Because there's only submission type table. Assignment submission types. Get this out. I gotta go to the meeting. Let's recompile it really quick. Go here, clear. What is this assignment variable? Oh, okay. Whoa, that might be somewhere else, completely different. You foolish, foolish people who wrote this code in the first place. Okay, so now I got a feeling that I'm gonna hit refresh on this, and it is not gonna give me one. But wait a second. Only 5 of them. Oh, some kind of a hash map thing. So go up. Crap. Star, submission type star. Where'd that come from? Oh no! It's in the API and in that code. You are submission. I don't like things here. Okay, so now I've got to go up, because that's in the API. And so now I gotta restart my Sakai and recompile all of assignments, including the API. Hopefully I made it no typographical error. I mean, I'll be okay. It seems like that's 2 places. All they were doing in that other one is, that other place here, we're coming up with the, they were just coming up. That is only putting out the internationalization keys for the internationalization keys. Done. Start this up. Tail the log. Yeah, that code was only putting in the internationalization keys, but the actual thing that was driving the drop down. How did I ever see a thing with a missing internationalization key at one point? I don't know. Don't need to know. I know what went wrong now. Okay, we're coming up, we're coming up. Okay. Oh, I'm 5 minutes late for my Sakai core meeting. Okay, we're up. I just want to see the damn drop-down change. Okay, so we go back to Sakai, log in as the administrator, go to Mercury. Come on, Mercury. Go to assignments. Add. Damn you, you better show me this drop down. Yay! Show me the drop down. I show the drop down. There's a new drop down. Oh, and I hit submit. It'll probably blow up. Yeah, there's 6 of those things. Yeah, I guess when you finally find where the damn code is, it's not too hard. Let's see if I can get to go to my other print statement. XYZ equals 6, yes. XYX equals 6. Okay, I'm gonna go to my meeting now. I'll probably keep coding, unfortunately, during the meeting, but I'll pick up in a new stream once I'm done with that meeting. Okay? Cheers.